Hey travelers! Welcome back to Travel Trek X, your go-to hub for travel tips, hacks, and destination inspiration. If you've ever found yourself scrambling at the airport, forgetting essentials, or spending more than you should while traveling, today's video is going to change the game for you. Stick around because I'm going to reveal 15 travel hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. And trust me, number 12 is one you'll use every single time you travel. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a travel trick again. Hack number 1. Roll, don't fold your clothes. Let's start with something basic, but powerful. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them not only saves space, but it also reduces wrinkles. It's a game changer for backpackers and suitcase packers alike. Hack number 2. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes keep your bag organized and make unpacking at your destination way easier. Group items, shirts in one cube, underwear in another, and you'll never dig through chaos again. Hack number 3. Carry a dummy wallet. Pickpockets are everywhere, especially in touristy areas. Carry a dummy wallet with a few expired cards and small cash. Keep your real one hidden inside a zipped pocket or money belt. Hack number 4. Bring a power bank. Always. Your phone is your map, translator, booking tool, and camera. Keep a compact power bank with you, preferably 10,000 milliamp hours or higher. And don't forget a universal travel adapter. Hack number 5. Take photos of important documents. Take photos of your passport, visa, ID, and tickets. Email them to yourself too. If you ever lose them, having backups will save you time, money, and stress. Hack number 6. Solid toiletries over liquids. Skip the liquid restrictions at airports by carrying solid toiletries. Solid shampoo, soap bars, toothpaste tablets. No spills, no mess, and TSA-friendly. Hack number 7. Download offline maps. Use Google Maps offline feature to save entire city maps. No Wi-Fi? No problem. Also great for hiking and rural areas where signals are weak. Hack number 8. Noise-canceling headphones equals sanity. On long flights or noisy hostels, noise-canceling headphones are a lifesaver. Use them to sleep, relax, or block crying babies at 35,000 feet. Hack number 9. Book accommodations with free breakfast. Save money and time by staying in places that offer complimentary breakfast. It's one less meal to worry about and gives you energy for the day. Hack number 10. Travel during shoulder seasons. Don't travel during peak summer or holidays. Go during shoulder seasons, like April to May or September to October, to enjoy fewer crowds and better prices. Hack number 11. Use a VPN while booking flights. Flight prices often vary based on your location. Use a VPN to switch regions and find cheaper rates. Try browsing in incognito mode, too. Hack number 12. Choose the best airplane seat. Use sites like Seat Guru to check your flight layout and pick the best seat. More legroom, less engine noise, or closer to the exit for quick getaways. Hack number 13. Bring a foldable day pack. Take a compact foldable backpack for day trips or hikes. It hardly takes space in your luggage and helps you carry water, snacks, or a camera with ease. Hack number 14. Use apps like Roam to Rio and Google Translate. Roam to Rio tells you exactly how to get from A to B. Buses, trains, ferries, even ride shares. And Google Translate's camera feature? Just point it at a sign or menu, and boom, instant translation. Hack number 15. Always pack extra socks and underwear. Trust me, these two things are lifesavers, especially if you're hiking, walking a lot, or get stuck in unexpected weather. Wet feet are the enemy of good travel days. Bonus hack: use airline points and credit card rewards. Don't sleep on this one. Many credit cards offer miles, hotel discounts, and priority access. Learn the game of travel hacking and fly for cheap, or even free. And there you have it. 15 powerful travel hacks that will save you time, money, and stress on your next adventure. Quick question for you. What's your favorite travel hack? Drop it in the comments below. Let's help each other out. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your travel buddies, and don't forget to subscribe to Travel Trek X for more travel tips and destination guides every single week. Until next time, keep exploring. The world is waiting. Signing off. Safe travels.